Welcome to Let It Go Diet. Please subscribe to the channel by clicking subscribe below and hit the like button. I just completed a program by letitgodiet.com of eating clean for 3 weeks. I think the average human lives 4,000 weeks. So this is something that was easy to do. And I feel much better. I feel revived. Day 1 of Let It Go Diet, the 21-day recipe planner. Everything's mapped out for you. Let's get started. Today's recipe, we're going to wash all this stuff, and we have our containers ready. And today's coffee, if you notice, there's absolutely no creamer. If you have vegetables that are organic, I feel just rinsing them, maybe scrub them with a little pad is good enough. You won't have to peel them. So these are organic cucumbers, organic carrots. I don't think the lemons are organic, so I'll take the rind off those, I'll peel those. The apples are organic. In short here, just in general, if you have organic vegetables, it does save some time. But make sure you wash everything before you juice. Remember to enjoy your day with Let It Go Diet. The whole point is to let everything go and do some good for your body. We washed everything up, and here is all the ingredients for today's juice. This is one day worth of juice. When would you eat 30 carrots, 9 cucumbers, 3 gigantic beets, lemons? Again, I have a 1-inch shoot, so let's just finish up cutting the apple. So you can see, you just want to get it into pieces that will fit down that shoot. You can leave the core in, you can leave the stem in. This is the celery. A beet's pretty tough. It's like cutting a raw potato. So make sure you have a good knife and watch your fingers. With the beets, it stains your fingers. If you don't want your fingers to be red or pink, wear some vinyl gloves. Okay, we're getting ready to make the REVITALIZE beet juice. The ingredients are already cut up and peeled, the ones that needed to be peeled. There are 12 carrots, 3 beets, 3 cups of beet greens. We don't have that today because I bought the beet by itself without the greens. They were out at the grocery store. Don't worry about it, just keep moving forward. 3 apples, 6 celery stalks, and 3 cucumbers. Let It Go Diet, we have some nutrition tidbits. Beet greens have a higher content of iron than spinach. High in vitamin K, beets are important for blood clotting and have been known to help with Alzheimer's disease. Just start throwing everything in. The fiber will come out to this container, which we will dispose of. And the reason why you want to get rid of the fiber, you're breaking down everything into micronutrients that the body can absorb quickly. And one other important note about breaking down each of these to a micronutrient is when you put fiber and pizza and burgers into your stomach, your digestive tract is spending about 23 hours a day just digesting the food. When you juice and eat clean, you reverse that. Not 23 hours, it's just about an hour out of the day. So your body can metabolize other things in your body like fat and these free radicals and just drain all that out. When you're eating heavy and you're eating processed foods, you're damaging your body because your body is working on just breaking down the food and not getting rid of the stuff in your body that's being stored and detrimental to your health. Let's keep rolling. As you know, this is going to take a while. I'm looking forward to seeing what the color of the juice is and of course what it tastes like. Alright, we're just finishing up with juicing the REVITALIZE beet juice. Is the REVITALIZE beet juice. Before we go to the taste, which I can't wait, You know, the whole thing is when you're doing a Let It Go diet, even though it's day one, you just look forward to everything that you eat, drink, whether it's a juice, smoothie, or a meal. You know it's healthy, it's a new taste, it beats a burger, it beats pizza. Don't get me wrong, there's a time for that stuff. But you just know when you're putting this in your body, you're doing your body wonderful things. Okay, so why do we get rid of all the fiber? This, just from one juice, is all the fiber. Again, getting rid of the fiber allows your stomach to relax. But check out this color. I mean, it is a deep, deep purple. Revitalize beet juice. Man, it is so tasty. So this is juice one. We'll drink all this today plus one whole other juice. So this is the Revitalize beet juice. Next up for day one is the zesty carrot ginger juice. We'll drink both in one day since day one is all juicing. So in 24 hours, you're going to drink 2 of these. Remember the amount of vegetables and fruit that we started with. How would you consume that all in one day? You only can do that through juicing. Revitalize beet juice. This is Let It Go Diet. Day one. We'll see you soon.